I'm Allie, this is Michael, and our dog Winnie.
And this is our JDM Nissan camper. This is our 1994 Nissan Hardbody camper.
We spent the last 2 years refurbishing the entire thing, from the entire outside to now the inside is what we're working on.
And these are a couple of things that we've already finished up. One of the first things we did was build these beefy bumpers. They're not 100% done. We still have to install the winch and we want to get a bull bar, but they're working out great for right now. So this is a rear bumper. Allie actually welded most of this rear bumper and she's a really good welder.
Oh my gosh, come look at it. That one.
Wow.
I surpassed my master.
We incorporated these 2-inch hitch receiver holes that go through the frame because we eventually want to build a dirt bike rack and load up a dirt bike back here.
So the body needed a lot of work when we got it. There were so many holes that needed to be patched. So a long time ago we went and did a lot of fiberglassing. We actually re-fiberglassed the entire thing to make it structurally more sound. After we were done fiberglassing, we sanded it down so it looked a little smoother. And then bedlined the entire thing in our favorite Toyota color, Cavalry Blue. Afterwards, we did a little bit of black down here, just the standard Raptor Liner color. And that's it.
Okay, so this is one of the things I'm most proud of. I built a custom long travel kit and I took out the torsion rods and incorporated some coil spring out of a newer Toyota Tacoma.
Details about the restoration of the RV that we haven't gotten into today, and there's a lot more that we still have to do. The inside is still completely gutted and we have to go through all of that. If you're interested more in our venture with the RV, feel free to follow along and subscribe.